watch this guy right here.
Nothing can even poop.
He's trying to get a bird. Stay, Angel.
Can I throw Angel out there?
Natalie! No.
Just be like this. Oops.
No. Angel. What lake is this again, Millacs? We're at Millacs Lake.
Jump higher than you.
There's a lot of seagulls and boats. No, I didn't see you. Do it again.
No.
She's gonna fall and break a hip.
Okay, just stay there.
Stay, Angel.
You gotta leave.
Yeah, they're retarded. You guys are both gonna fall. Throw her! Throw her!
Natalie! He kinda like grabbed me. Oh, it hurts! Oh! She just push it hurts. Right there. Oh!
We haven't gotten pooped on yet.
Ow!
But it's only a matter of time. And Angel jumped on this ledge right here. And she almost fell over.
She wants to suicide. Commit suicide.
Send the dog after them.
Yeah, right. She'll jump up on the ledge and then she'll fall over. There's the Angel. Go, Angel. Just don't jump up here. Stay.
Do it. Do it.
What's she gonna do?
He doesn't realize it's me. Hey, Angel. Hi.
It's a little bit chilly. There's a lot of people fishing.
Huh?
I feel like sugar.
I feel like sugar.
I want some ice cream. There's a Dairy Queen. What was that? Say it to the camera. Say it to my face in the camera.
You suck!
Look at Angel, looks all happy. She's like, She pooped over there in that green patch. She's like, okay, I give up.